Yes, so friends, I'm preparing this video for those who are novice and newcomer, and in fact those who would like to invest in the equity market, but because of many reasons, either they could not invest properly, or they though invested but they made huge loss in such steps. So I bought, I'm like a 3 month subscription from AmiSignals jackpot call, and from that today I started trading, though with a very bit skeptical, but finally I got a success, though with a little bit of amount, but that was quite successful for me. So today I got the first call from them, that was in terms of the SR transfin that came up in means 9:22 a.m. Thereafter, I got another call, that is called RBL Bank at 9:23, and the third and final call I got it from the PNB, which came in 9:26, and they have confirmed also, like PNB, which came up in this particular sector, the target one, that buy was at 29 rupees 90 paise, and target first was 30 rupees 22 paise, that was achieved in 9:31 a.m. So it's very short time in which target could be achieved. Second was with regard to SR Transfin, where the first target was achieved, and that was on 9:31 a.m. And again PNB got a second target achieved at the rate rupees 30 rupees 47 paise, 9:32. So from that perspective, now we are going with another aspect. At 9:33, SR Transfin got second target achieved, and finally at 9:47 the third target of the SR Transfin got achieved at the rate rupees 631.40 paise, where you can see the point was 22 rupees 90 paise per share was a big profit. So this is a success of the AmiSignals jackpot call, which in fact was done. However, today I also tried from my end to invest the money in these three equity shares in the cash segment, and though I was a bit skeptical and I was not very sure about technicalities, so that's why I came out hurriedly from the market with some meager amount profit, which I consider myself as a big success for me on the first day, first show. How I did that, so I can just go back with my account. I have opened an account in Zerodha. So this is the Zerodha account, where you can find out how in fact I have done that. So okay, now we are coming back with this Zerodha account. I have my Zerodha account here, and today you can find out that same time when I received the calls from the AmiSignal jackpot call, I procured those specific items again once more. For example, at 9:33, I purchased this SR Transfin, was 42 quantity. Similarly, the RBL Bank at 9:33 second, 102 quantity, and then PNB at same time almost 9:33:14 purchased about 390 shares. See, so when you're purchasing more amount of shares, then even if you're fixing a particular target to purchase, but always average price will come up. That is a general rule. So even if the software was the message regarding jackpot call was to purchase on a particular price, but when you're purchasing more than like more bulk equity shares than in cash form, then definitely the correct targeted price you may not achieve. So average price definitely may come down in case of buy, or in case of sell can go up. So this is exactly the trend. And you see, after that I started selling. Selling means uh, when we are finding about this. So these are sell definition, and this is the buy definition. So 922 I purchased SR Transfin, and then thereafter RBL Bank at 926 and 928 BNB. So all those got sold out just within few minutes. Okay, and then ultimately what the benefit which came up, let me show you again once more. And the benefit was quite interesting, which I'm just going to show you now. So here you can see my account in which I could make a profit of 673 rupees 80 paise after selling that. It came once at around 1000 rupees, but when it came down for some time, so I was out of fear. I immediately started selling the like shares, and in one go, all shares got sold out in the market, by which I got a first day, first opportunity, 673 rupees. And I believe it's my first day, first show, which is definitely a huge uh, winning for me, because I have heard from many of my friends that they have lost money in number of occasions, including whether it's a equity or whether it's a commodity, and all the aspects. So I feel it really proud for myself on the first day, and therefore I thought like to share this video to all of you. Now let me tell you another technical part, because many new persons, those who will be trading in the equity cash segment, they will have to, if they are having the account in Zerodha, I will limit myself to that Zerodha account only. And in that you will definitely find another important critical technicality, that margin calculation. Because margin calculation, like cash and carry, suppose you are purchasing a share and you would like to keep for 1 week or 1 month, then that comes up in the form of cash and carry, which I can show you here. And if you are going with cash and carry, then this is the nature of the term which will come up. You can see here cash and carry. So definitely that will be going with your demat account, and when you want to sell, that will go away from your demat account. But I prefer for MIS, that stands for margin intraday square up. Same day you do the business, earn some money, and then go out. So no headache for next day. And this is absolutely available between 9:15 a.m. to 3:20 p.m. But Zerodha, since I have an account in Zerodha, so Zerodha provides you the monetary calculation. See, if we are going back with this option, then we have to find out certain important critical issues at this time. For example, here in the bottom, you will find number of name of the shares, and number in cash and carry, and number of share can be purchased in fact this MIS multiplier. So for example, if I say ACC is a cement which comes up in by its price, whatever the price comes up, there is no multiplication. So whatever the price is there, and if you have money in your account, you can procure accordingly. But when you're coming to MIS, you have 11 fold or times for the share that you can procure. This is exactly the way in which you can calculate. For example, I can show you about the um, this this SR Trans fin. So there, what exactly happened is a fin, um, because that goes without saying in the specification that there is somewhere in serial number 403 it is available. Now here it is 5 times equal to. So uh, like that you have to multiply it and then go, because if I show you the earlier window, now you have understood, I hope, like you have to multiply. So suppose you have around 20,000 rupees in your account, then what you could do is that you have to keep the 5,000 rupees always in your account, so remaining 15,000 you can purchase or sell shares, right? Why you are keeping additional 5,000 rupees? Because if there is a loss which occurring, that can be deducted from your remaining 5,000 rupees, so you won't have to pay anything extra in your account, and next day you can definitely reimburse that by another call. So I was having around 13,989 rupees, and I could procure only within rupees 10,000 with different multiplier with the here digital like MIS multiplier. So definitely I was having 3,900 rupees in my hand. If loss goes, then from that you can pay it back. Um, and finally, I could make a profit of 673 rupees today, and that was a big, like for me, that was a huge issue so far. So let me show you how that came up. So here you can see that uh, my 673 rupees 80 paisa has been added because I was having last time 13,989 rupees, so which got jumped by 673 rupees today because of such profit. So this is the way in which you have to trade. But remember that when you're trading in equity or commodity, you have to always keep some money extra, so that if there is loss which occurs, that you can take it back from the money which is saved in the same account. So don't in fact make or take the exposure of the entire money which is available in your account. You have to be always ready for some losses, but at the same time you should think positive that lots of benefits, lots of profit that you can make from this market. And again, I will tell you, today was my first day and first show, and I got a grand success from the AmiSignals jackpot call. So again, I would refer this to all of my like viewers that interested, then definitely you can visit this AmiSignals jackpot call. They have their own personal website. Uh, if you search it, you will find the same website there, and I can give you reference of that website also, which you can see here. So this is the website you can visit, and you can definitely come to know many informations which just now I have shared. So that's all for today, and if any new video if I find here, so I will let you know.